In today's video, I'll show you how to set reminders in Microsoft Planner, a simple and effective way to stay on top of your tasks in 2025. Whether you're managing a big project or tracking daily goals, reminders can help you stay organized and never miss a deadline. First, log into your Microsoft 365 account and open Planner. Once inside, go to My Plans, where you'll see all your existing plans. Select the one you'd like to set reminders for. Next, open a specific task within that plan. Here, you'll find several options to manage your task, the most important one being the due date field. Set a clear and realistic due date to help you stay on track. If you want to include extra details or context, use the Notes section. It's perfect for adding reminders or quick instructions for future reference. Finally, for recurring tasks, use the repeat option to schedule them daily, weekly, or at custom intervals. This is especially useful for ongoing projects or repeated responsibilities. And that's it. You've successfully set reminders in Microsoft Planner. It's a simple step that makes your workflow smoother and keeps your productivity on point. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to use these features to make the most out of Microsoft Planner in 2020.